Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about frequencies and octaves. I know it's basic stuff for a lot of you out there, but there's a lot of questions I get that lend me to believe that there's not a lot of understanding on these two areas. So let's define frequency. It's the rate at which something repeats over and over and over. I think that's an easy way for us to understand frequency, okay? Now, octave is a little bit different. It takes this rate at which things repeat over and over again, and it kind of quantifies them into an 8-note interval. Okay, so frequency is the actual act, the rate at which things move, and octave is kind of a qualifying, compartmentalization, if you will, of, a series of 8 notes, intervals between the two notes. So it helps us to kind of get a grasp on things. The easiest way to think about it is frequencies are inside of octaves. Octaves are kind of a summation of a group of frequencies. So it's the octaves that we look at when we're always doing analyzation. We're always looking at the RTA, the resolution time analyzer, or the real-time analyzer. We're always looking at how these groups of frequencies are behaving in the room. We're not necessarily looking at individual frequencies. Now, we can do that, and there's a great tool for that. I think we're all familiar with the RTA, but the FFT, is a fast Fourier transform. It's an algorithm that we use in real time to take the octave bands that we just talked about and look at the individual frequencies that are composing them. And there's software you can download on your phone. We have apps that you can get. If you need those, just send me an email and I'll shoot you the links. But those are the major differences. So we want to think of frequencies as kind of the people in a crowd, and then the crowd kind of as octaves, that are components of it. So the octave is the band, and then the frequencies compose the band. And they're broken down into different groups, and you can look at an RTA and see that. Most importantly, if you look at any RTA, though, you see 3 fundamental frequencies that always come to mind, 30, 40, 50 cycles. So all of our whole range of events, all of our whole range of activities when it comes to sound is based on those 3 fundamentals. And we're going to do a series of videos explaining those because I focused on those when I created our absorption technology. So I'm really familiar with how those work in a room and how they impact the sound quality, especially in the low frequency. So frequencies and octaves, hope that helps a little bit. Break it up and increases your understanding. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.